Hi, I'm MichKathy, and I'm going to demonstrate some features of the letterboxing app, Clue Tracker. This video is a follow-up from my previous video on planning a trip. Today I'm using an Android phone. If you use Clue Tracker on an iPhone or an iPad, you will notice some differences in the look and feel of the app, but the tasks I'm going to demonstrate can be done on iOS as well. The first thing I'm going to do is import the list of boxes that I sent to Trailmark in my previous video. I'm in the Clue Tracker app. Let me switch to Gmail. To import a list of letterboxes that you receive via email, tap the attachment and then open with Clue Tracker. Notice that I'm back in Clue Tracker and it is ready to import the boxes. It is telling me that it will use the name GLG 2021. If I already had a list with this name, it would add the imported boxes to my existing list. Now I tap Import and it's done. Now I'm going to open this list. If it's been more than a few days since the list was created, you will probably want to refresh the information for all of the boxes on the list. This process gets the latest information from Atlas Quest and letterboxing.org. For example, if a box has been retired or the clues have been changed, refresh will get this information. So I'm going to tap the refresh icon near the top of the screen. This may take a little while. And it's done. Since the process of reordering boxes within a list is a little different on Android, let me show how that is done. To move a box, press and hold until the box is highlighted, and then drag. To see how to reorder boxes on iOS, please watch our previous trip planning video. Now I'm going to go back to the Saved Letterboxes screen. There's one more thing I want to show you. How to rename a saved list. I want to rename this list. On Android, I simply swipe to the left and tap the Rename button. And now I'm going to give it a new name. And click Rename, and I'm done. On iOS, to rename a list, you'll need to tap Edit in the top right corner of the Saved Letterboxes screen, tap the name of the list, and then tap Done when you are done renaming. That's all for now. I hope you learned a few things from this video. Happy letterboxing!